Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing. It's currently a Sunday morning and I'm nearly late for the gate, so we can't muck around here guys. We're going to be heading off to the sandbanks at the south of Sark called Gurnard. Bank de la Gurnard, baby. Let's go get those turbo wurbos, brillo willows and hopefully some topey wopies. Let's start getting the boat ready guys. Let's get out there. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get going. Get going. Anyway guys, we're up at Gurnard. We've just arrived, me and Darran. Darran's there, but we're going to get set up. We've got a few mackerel at the point. Look at the seagull there, look. Loves it. Another one there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 of us up here, so hopefully we can get a few turbo wurbos or brillo willows. Maybe even a possible tope. So yeah, I'm going to be using the gorilla rods. Be feathering as well. Hopefully you get to use that net on the turbo, so stay tuned guys. Hopefully you get one. So I've arrived for the first drift using the Gorilla Tronic Pro rods. As you know, the 8-foot 20-pound class, and we've got an 8.0 Cox and Roll meat hook with an 8-ounce weight. So hopefully get some of these turbos. Now what I've done is I've put my mackerel frames just outside the boat, and yeah, hopefully we can attract some sharks. I've got a possible fish on. I don't know what. It could be a dogfish. Guy next to me is just that caught a blom ray. Probably just a dogfish now in my luck. Looks like a doggy. That's not what we want. We don't want to see that. There's no tide running at the moment, so not surprising. Anyway, hopefully there'll be the Brill or the Turbo come. Well guys, just got him off the hook safe and sound. Back he goes. Let's get one of those flays. Possible fish arm. Don't feel big. It's on a whole mackerel flapper though, so be a elusive dogfish. I think the lads are hooking into Tope behind me. Dogfish. See if we've got any. Good, wait there. Calm down, mackerel. Dogfish more than likely. Sure enough, another dogfish. Absolute waste of my time. Anyway, we'll get him off the hook and go back for another drift. Possible fish on, I'm not sure. Again, it's another dogfish. I'm being absolute plagued with this. Darran's just caught a turbot, so we're going to head over there and we'll show you Darran's turbo werbo. Well guys, we just came up to see Darran. He's just had a 5-pound turbot, and check this out, he's in again. Turbo werbo, Brillo willow, or Tope wopey. It ain't a taupe by the way that's going.
Feels like a turbo.
Turbo werbo. Come on, Daz. So he's had 2 on the same drift.
If it is, but it's definitely...
It's definitely a flat.
Yeah.
What is it, Shag?
It's one of my turbo.
Is it a turbo or a Brill?
It's a turbo. The bigger locker.
And he's got him in the bag. Oh, that's better. Ah, that's better size. That's a double all day long, Daz.
Yeah.
Double figured there, guys. Anyway, stay tuned. Let's go and get our rods out. My rod just went absolutely mental. I'm just giving it a load of line. Hopefully, still there. False alarm, someone was definitely on it though. Anyway, we're gonna go up. Hold up. Oh, there is something on it. Yeah, there is something on it. There you are. Don't tell me it's another dogfish. This can't be a dogfish. Look at the rod. This ain't no dogfish. Oh, I don't know what this is. Not a dogfish. Giving a very good account of itself. Can't even see it. Oh, there's my trace. What the hell is that? Alright, it just snapped off. We got it. Why? The baby Tope. You're going mad. That's what we had a Tope. said there was a chance of one, and we just have one. Calm down. Not a bad little tope at all, that. Anyway, I'll wait for him to calm down, I'll bring you back. Topey wopey, baby. So guys, I'll just give you a show of this tope. Absolute beast of a tope, that. Check the mouth on it. Check the eyes. Absolutely fantastic fish. He's the best part of 20, 25 pound, that. At 20 pound, 25 pound, 20 pound I'd say. Beautiful. Take a look at him again. What a fish, guys. What a fish. There he goes. He wants some. He's getting lively now. He's saying, I don't want to be on Inglorious fishing. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll get a release of him. What a beauty. So guys, there's one more last look at the tope. I'm going to try and release it with the camera in my hand so I can get it going down as well. So let's see what I can do here. Beautiful tope. Stick it there back in. There we are, guys. Beautiful. Wait for him to get his breath back. Beautiful creature. They certainly go well. There he is. He's nearly ready to go. He's near enough ready, guys. So we're going to send him back now. Hopefully I'll get a good release. So guys, you ain't gonna Adam and Eve there, so just drop one rod because my other rod was messed up from that other tope. Dropped it down and look what I've had. I've had another bloody tope. That's about 25 pound, that one. That one's a bit bigger than the last one. My rod, I just seen my rod going over. I was like, what the hell? And you should have seen the fight. It was taking line, everything. I can't believe I didn't have the GoPro in the mount. Bloody another tope. Anyway guys, stay tuned. That's two tope. Darren's had two turbot and a not really nice brill. So hopefully we can get a flatty as well. Topey wopies, baby. So guys, this one's a bit bigger. I estimate this one about 25, 30 pound, this one. Look at the eyes again. Absolutely fantastic creatures, these. Absolute beasts. Check that out. Full of power, these. They absolutely stink as well. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll get you some more release footage of this. Hopefully we get a flat, like I said. We don't want just tope. Anyway, stay tuned. Guys, I'm going to just pick him up. I'm going to get him back and try and drop the camera in. Let's get a turbo werbo now. Maybe a fish on, guys. Maybe a fish on. Dogfish. It's a little red Gurnard. Look, check that out, the greedy little bugger. Little red Gurnard. Don't be wanting that. There he goes. Let the Gurnard go back. We'll reel that rod up and hopefully we get some turbos. Fish on. Oh, I thought that was a fish on. How was that not a fish on? Did you hear the ratchet? Out of nowhere, just went. Zzz. Well, I lost that, whatever that was. Oh! Fish on! Fish on! Is that fish on? Dogfish? Definitely a fish on. Dogfish? Dogfish. That ain't what we want, that's for sure. That is not what we want. Bloody dogfish. We want the turbos. So guys, we tried for turbo werbos and Brillo willows, and unfortunately we had none. Darran had 2 turbos and he had a lovely Brillo as well, but we've had 2 taupe, which is quite good, and hopefully the release of that is quite good on the camera. I don't know, because it's shot off and I'm by myself, so it's quite hard to get released. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned. We're going to start making our way to St. Martin's Point. What a day, baby. Let's get going. Well guys, headed down to St. Martin's Point. Got the rods out, hopefully, and get some fish. We've had a few mackerel, but we want turbo werbos or Brillo willows. Let's get them. So guys, fish on. Mackerel, I think, on the febs. Oh, one of my rods just went then. There we are. 1 foul hook mackerel. Stop. Oh no, he's not foul hooked. There he goes. Another mackerel. Well guys, we tried fishing down here at the point and it was an absolute waste of time. Unfortunately, no turbos or Brillos for me today, but Darran had 2. He had a nice one of about 12 and another one of about 5, and he also had a nice big Brill between 6 and 7 pound, I estimate. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it guys, and I hope you enjoy the riding. Let's start making our way home. It's inglorious. Well guys, that's another episode of Inglorious Fishing. We got all the boat washed down. She's absolutely clean. Unfortunately, we had no turbot or brill. Darran smashed those, but we had 2 big tope. I said there was a possibility of that before we even got up there, and sure enough, they were up there, guys. So yeah, a little bit of a shark trip it turned into. So anyway, if you like the channel, like, subscribe. There's going to be plenty more, and I've just noticed we've hit 6K on the YouTube, so thanks very much, guys. See you on the next one. Thanks for all your subscriptions. It's Inglorious Fishing.